Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read the fourth paragraph, Madina al-Basra. Fourth paragraph of Al-Mudun al-Islamiyya, كيف كان تخطيطها وبناؤها. In our last three videos, we read first, second, and third paragraphs. So now read the fourth paragraph. Let's get started. Bismillah. Madina al-Basra. Basra is a city name. Awal means first, Madina means city. Madina means city. So Basra is the first city. Ha means that. That means Basra. Muslimun means Muslims, Assasa means established. So Basra is the first city that Muslim established. Muslims established. Assasa yuassis min bab al-taf'il. Ba'da means after. Fath means victory, conquer. Al-Iraq means Iraq. After conquering Iraq. So Basra was the first city that Muslims established after they conquered Iraq. Zamana means during the period of Khalifa Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala an. During the period of Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala an, عام 16 هجرة, during 16th Hijri, or أو 635 miladan, or in 635 AD. At that time, the Basra city was built by Muslims. وَقَدْ جَعَلُوهَا, they established it. Ha means here, Basra. Ha means what? Basra. They established it. Fil Janib al-Gharbi. Fi means in, Janib means side, Gharbi means western. They established it in the western side. Western side of means of. Western side of Nahr al-Furat. Western side of Euphrates river. Nahr means river, Furat means Euphrates. Okay. So the Basra city was established in the western side of Euphrates River, in a place. Fi makan means in a place. La yufassir al-ma, where water does not block. Ma means water. La yufassir means does not block. Where water does not block. Bainahu, between it. Wa bain al-Madina al-Munawwara, and between Medina Munawwara. Did you understand? So the Basra city was established in a place of the western side of Euphrates River. Okay, where water never was a problem. Water was never a block. Okay, water never prevented uh, Euphrates River and the people in Medina Munawwara. They had good connection. Okay, and Medina Munawwara was Asimatul Muslimin al-Ula. It was the capital city, Muslims' first capital city. Al-Ula means first. Asima means capital. بنيت البصرة بشكل مستطيل. بنيت means جعلت. بنيت means أسست. Buniyat means uttukhidhat, right? Established. Basra was established بشكل. Shaklun means shape. In a form of rectangle. Mustatil means rectangle. Do you understand? So it was established in a rectangle shape. Uh, وعرض شارعها. وعرض شارعها. عرض means wide. شارع means street. Ha means Basra. Okay. And let me scroll down. Okay, here. Yeah. So, yeah. وعرض شارعها الرئيسي. The main street of Basra. شارع رئيسي. شارع رئيسي means what? شارع رئيسي. شارع رئيسي means main street. Main street of main street of Basra was, 60 ذراعا. 60 ذراعا mean 60 cubits wide. WIDE, wide. Ardun means wide. Did you understand? Ardun means wide. Suppose this is the road and this is the wide. It was 60 dhira'an, 60 cubits, cubits, cubits. Dhira'an means cubits. Ardun means what? Ardun means width or wide, WIDE. And وعرض كل زقاق. وعرض كل زقاق. زقاق means narrow passage, narrow road. There are some smaller roads. As I told you, that smaller roads, side road, right? Side road. These are side roads, and these side roads were 7 cubits wide. 7 cubits wide. Zuqaq means what? Small road or narrow passage. Kullu means each. Okay, it has main street, and with the main street there were zuqaq. Zuqaq means small passages, narrow passages, and what was their width? They were 7 cubits. Okay, the narrow passages were 7 cubits wide. And then جُعِلَتِ الأسواق. جُعِلَتِ الأسواق. جُعِلَت means established, same. Okay, جُعِلَتِ الأسواق. أسواق. سوق is the singular, aswaq is the plural, means markets. So markets were established qaribatan, nearby. Qariba means nearby, min al masjid, nearby mosque. Okay, they established a lot of markets nearby mosque. Okay, close to the mosque, so that lius hila, so that it becomes easier. So that it becomes what? It becomes easier. Ala nas means for the people. So that it becomes easier for the people. Ala nas means for the people. Al-ittisal, the connection becomes easier for the people. Ittisal means connection. Communication becomes easier for the people. Bil wulat, with the officials, with the government officers, with the government people, government officials. Okay, everything was together. Market was there, mosque was there, government's office was there. Wa ada'ul fara'id, and there was mosque. Okay, close. That's why it was easier to ada. It was easier to maintain the religious duties, maintain obligatory duties, obligatory rituals. That means they could pray very easily because mosque was very close. And wadaf'u dara'ib, and it was easy for them. Liyusila ala nas. Okay, liyusila ala nas. It was easy for them to pay tax. Daf'u means paying, dara'ib means taxes. Okay, it was easy for the people to pay taxes ila baitil mal, to public treasury, to public treasury. Baitil mal is public treasury. So this liyusila ala nas will be will work on ittisal bil ulad, number 1, wa ada'ul fara'id, number 2, wa daf'u dara'ib, number 3. Okay, so these things were easier for the people because market was very close to mosque. Okay, people used to live together, and governor's office was also situated in the middle of the city. The middle of the street. وقد اتخذت, it became. اتخذت means it became. اتخذ يتخذ اتخذت. So what became? Basra city became. Basra city became what? Maqarran. Maqarran means the Maqarran means headquarter. It became the main quarter, main place or headquarter lil hukuma, of the ruling. It became the headquarter of the government fi ayyami Bani Umayyah, during the period of Bani Umayyah, during the Khilafah of Bani Umayyah. But during the period of Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, what was the main headquarter was Medina Munawwara. But during the period of Bani Umayyah, the Basra city became the headquarter of the government, of ruling. See you again in the next video. Till then, keep me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.